Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a problem on differentiation for class 12. Now let us differentiate e power x log root x into tan x. Now let us see how to differentiate three functions. If f of x, g of x and h of x are differentiable functions, then d by dx of f of x into g of x into h of x is nothing but, in the first term I am going to differentiate f of x alone and write the other two functions as it is. In the second term, I am going to differentiate g of x alone and write the other two functions as it is. And in the third term, I am going to differentiate h of x and write the next two terms as it is. Now let me write the sum. D by dx of e power x log root x into tan x. Now let me change root x as x power 1 by 2. We know the function log x power n is nothing but n log x. So I can write this as half log x. Now half is a constant, so I can take the half outside. So I get d by dx of e power x into log x into tan x. Now let us apply the formula. Half into d by dx of e power x into log x tan x. Here my e power x is nothing but my f of x. Plus e power x into d by dx of log x into tan x. Here log x is nothing but my g of x. Plus e power x into log x d by dx of tan x. Here my tan x is my h of x. Now let me differentiate. So let me write this half, and d by dx of e power x is nothing but e power x. When I differentiate e power x, I get back e power x. So e power x into log x into tan x. Now when I differentiate log x, I get 1 by x. So e power x into tan x by x. So when I differentiate tan x, I get secant square x. So e power x into log x into secant square x. In all the three terms, I can see something is common, that is e power x. So let me take e power x outside. So half into e power x into, I get log x tan x plus tan x by x plus log x into secant square x. This is nothing but my differentiation of e power x log root x into tan x. So friends, was this interesting and easy? Then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.